Welcome back, everybody. Today we'll be looking at how to make 1-inch chicken parmesan. Now, we know that yes, I get it, Charmin. Chicken comes from eggs. Haha, very funny. Now, I don't have time for an intro segment? All right, roll the music. Let's go. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of One Plate Gourmet. Today we'll be looking at how to make chicken. We're going to be making Parmesan chicken today. So we'll start off with our Panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, pine seeds, garlic cloves, olive oil, eggs, salt, pepper, basil leaves for our pesto sauce, and of course chicken breast. We're going to start off with making our pesto sauce. So we're going to take our 2 garlic cloves into our pestle and mortar, and we're going to grind them down until it's nice and pasty looking. Then we're going to add in our 4 to 5 leaves of basil and grind that down as well till it's nice. Or if you're feeling a little confident, go ahead and add a whole bunch of it. Remember, leave no leaf ungrinded. Once you finish grinding down all of your basil leaves, add in your pine seeds and grind those down as well. About a handful should do, which is about maybe 20-30 seeds, I don't know. Add in your Parmesan cheese to the mix and grind that down as well. And then add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Season with salt to taste, of course, and then set your pesto sauce aside. Once that's done, we're going to move over to our chicken. Now you want to lay your saran wrap over your cutting board. Hey, get back here, we're not done. And carefully place your chicken in between 2 sheets of saran wrap. Using your meat tenderizer, the back of it, or the end of a cup, just pound it down with either or both, just so you could get the thinness that you need. The reason why is because we're not going to put this in the oven, we're going to cook it on the stovetop, so you need it that thin. Next, coat it with salt and pepper generously on both sides, and then we'll move over to working on our Parmesan cheese. Now you're going to need about 8 ounces of Parmesan cheese for this. That's because you're going to fully coat your chicken, and you want to make sure you don't skimp out on that either. Crack open your eggs into an open bowl and just whisk that together. Don't worry about seasoning your eggs, you don't need that if your chicken was seasoned pretty well. Coat your chicken in your cheese mixture, your egg, and your panko breadcrumbs. Just make sure to dust off any excess from each. Bring a skillet of hot oil to a boiling 375 degrees and carefully lay your chicken inside away from you so that you don't get any oil on you. After about 3 to 4 minutes, flip it to let it cook on the other side. Once it's fully cooked both sides or it looks golden brown, transfer it over to your cutting board and then just cut it on a bias, which is basically fancy lingo for diagonally, if you remember. Once that's done, lay it masterfully on your dish or plate and spread your pesto paste all over that chicken. That's good. Top with some Parmesan cheese. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Go ahead and take a bite whenever you're ready. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see the trailer for this episode, click up here. If you want to watch what's next, click down there.
We're having an omelet. That's what we have
No, we're not
on the side.